Welcome to the Habasit Product Portal presentation. The Habasit Product Portal can be accessed from the Habasit webpage. Simply go to the upper right-hand corner, select the three bars. Once the window is open, click on Product Portal. Once the Product Portal is open, click on Product Selection. This will take you to the main page showing all of the Habasit product lines: fabric belts, plastic modular belts and conveyor chain, timing belts, monolithic belts, as well as accessories and tools. Technical support links and regulatory document links can also be found here. All product lines can be searched by using the product name or part number. In this example, we'll search for a fabric belt, the FAB5E. We'll go to all fabrics. Note that many of the product lines have subsections to help list like products, either in application or in industry. We'll click on all fabrics, click on the search bar, and search for the FAB5E. The results will show on the bottom. Each link is noted in blue. Clicking on the FAB5E will take you to that page results. And here we have product data sheet link, links to the joining data sheets for the FAB5E, and documents of compliance for the FAB5E. Product data sheets, when clicked, will download to the computer's download directory. Joining data sheets will often have more than one option and will open another window. Here we have different approved joining methods. Clicking on the master would open the joining information for the master joining datasheet, again for the FAB5E. Clicking on the link above will provide the options to download as a PDF or print the document. Closing the tab will bring you back to the joining datasheet. Clicking on FAB5E will bring you back to all of the information available for that product. The other product lines can be searched in the same way. For example, searching for a straight-running M5060. You can click. We'd have to clear the search bar. Then let's look for the M5060. Search results will appear. Click on the link. Again, all of the information relative to the M5060 will be available. A product data sheet, information about accessories for the M5060, as well as installation documents for the M5060. The product portal provides information at one location for all of the Habasit product lines. Thank you for watching the Habasit Product Portal presentation.